pretty rough to swim in right now. So I'm gonna go down and get my feet wet still. Oh, the sand's cold now. The rim slips, has no shoe. It's bad. Oh god. That's cold. That's cold. Never mind. I'm going up. Yeah. I'm glad I don't get out there and sweat. And I'm back. Cold. Cold. Water's cold. Yeah. Water's cold. Very cold. Yep.
That red flag is up.
Rio.
That was cold.
Pretty, Erica. You may have to put that in the thing. You want to get it?
Huh?
You want me to put it in there?
No, I can put it back in.
Yeah, that just so good. You don't realize how effective.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Harvey. Hi, Liz. Chad, Buddy, all the kids.
Hi everyone.
You stand by Papa and take a picture. Quit filming for a minute, okay?
Okay, apparently she wants me to quit filming, so bye-bye. Hi, Hurt Dirt.
Stop calling me long names. This is my phone.
Hi, Poo-Dooker.
There you go.
Hello, Diesel, Mindy Sue, Little Man, JC, Diary, Haley, Joella. Love you.
Anyone else missing?
Erica, yes, Amy, Faithy.
Hi, everybody. We're here on the beach, having a good time, except now the mist is starting to close in on both sides, so we're going to be covered soon.
That booger's going right down there. They like you.
I don't like birds. They keep flying above me.
But I thought I'd drop some of that bread. We could throw it.
A pretty water with the big waves. Hit me pretty hard that first time and then hit me and Mom and both screamed. It's cold!
Yeah, they said it raining, you know. But it's supposed to be Friday, I thought.
Well, maybe it's just going to be foggy today since it's going to rain tomorrow. Which is okay, 'cause we'll be leaving and I got 5 days of sunlight, so I'm happy.
Yeah, we got a lot of fog.
Hi.
Hi.
Yo, Wall.
Let's take that. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Piper.
We love you.
Love my baby. Love you, Dad. I don't know.
We've been having a really fun time.
Supposed to say
Yep.
hi, Harley.
Hi, Sydney. I miss you.
I looked really hard for your mermaid thing. I got a headache looking so hard.
We really did. They don't even have anything with a mermaid on it. It's ridiculous.
I found 2 things, but Mom didn't approve.
You're supposed
They were
to
ugly.
say hi, Harley.
We already did.
You
Yeah.
did.
Yeah, we did.
That's for the ones we miss the most. Viper! My baby girl!
We'll see you
Big
soon.
dog. A big dog.
He's been saying that the entire time. I want my cat, not a dog.
Remember how that cat was running that big old dog?
It was a kitten and a bulldog.
Oh, it was a
Rottweiler.
Rottweiler.
It was funny. Kitten got the dog cornered and running away. If it wasn't on the leash. Mommy wants to stop. So I gotta stop filming. Bye.